Welcome to TabTrade. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the registration process, from creating your profile to verifying your identity. Let's get started. The first step is setting up your user profile. Start by selecting your country of residence from the drop-down. Then enter your first and last name, exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. Fill in your date of birth, phone number, and email address. Once everything looks good, hit Continue. Next, you'll set up your trading account. Choose between a live or demo account. Select Live if you're ready to trade with real funds. Pick your account type, Standard, Edge, or VIP. Select your preferred currency, your desired leverage, ranging from 1 to 1 all the way up to 1 to 500, and your trading platform. Finally, set a strong trading account password or use the Generate Password option. Then click Continue. Step 3 is your ID verification. Start by entering your home address. The autocomplete makes this quick and easy. Then answer a few short questions about your trading background, your experience level, your main reason for trading, your expected deposit amount over the next 12 months, your primary source of funds, annual income, and industry. Select the option that best describes your situation, then tap Continue. The final step is uploading your identity document to complete verification. Choose your document type: national ID, driver's license, or passport. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is electronic verification. Make sure your camera is enabled, then hold your document steady and clearly in front of the camera. Simply follow the on-screen instructions as the platform captures your information automatically. This is the quickest way to get verified. If electronic verification doesn't work for you, don't worry. We have an easy manual upload option. Just drag and drop your required documents into the upload area and you're done. Whichever method you choose, once your documents are submitted, you're all set and your account will be verified shortly. And that's it. Registration complete. You're now set up and ready to start trading with TabTrade. Up next, how to fund your account and place your first trade.